How to fix widescreen problem in your Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005. So basically what you need to do is you have to download these two files, scripts, and then put 8.dll. So how to download, the link would be in description. From there you can download these and then just copy these files and paste it in your Need for Speed Most Wanted original file location, and there it will ask whether to replace or what. So just click on replace files, and after that you need to restart your PC and then check if your problem has solved. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.